Action.
Hey guys, it's Michelada G up in the building, and for today's video, I ordered the Blood Money palette, and it's here. So I have to cut it open. All right. I don't think you guys are ready for this because I'm not ready for it. The last palette I ordered was the Alien palette, and I haven't ordered any other palettes in a long time. It's been years. Can you believe that? So I'm just excited. So. Yes. Oh my god, yes, Jeffree! You go, bitch! Oh my god, alright. He's excited. Oh my god, yes! Oh my god, I got the picture! I got the picture! Oh my god! I got the picture, I forgot. Dude, I literally collect these. I don't give a fuck how old I am. I don't care. Like, I love this. I was hoping either this one or the one with the crocodile. If anyone got the crocodile guy, let me know because, oh my god, yes! That fell. I don't even want to tear this packaging up, but I do. Oh, yeah, it's tear. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so this is gonna, oh my god, yes. Look at this. This is so pretty. Okay, let's see how this goes. I don't even, this is, oh my god. Can you guys see it? Oh my god. Oh my god, yes. I love her. No. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Do you guys see that? So beautiful. I think I'm gonna go with the bottom row. Oh my god, I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless, but I am gonna give you guys a little tutorial. I'm gonna play with it. I'm probably gonna do some swatches because I know everybody's a different skin tone, but ooh, the mirror fits me. Okay, so I already got done priming my eyes, and so for today's look, I'm going to be using my Jacquelyn Hill brushes, and I'm going to start off with, so I'm going to be starting off with the BH Cosmetics number 5. It's a little Studio Pro brush. You guys see it? So yeah, it's a Studio Pro 5. And I am going to be going in with the I don't know if you can see right here, the color Private Island. So I'm going to be focusing on the bottom row. Alright. So it's a cute little brown. I'm going to go in for like a smoky green eye type of look. Let me know in the comments down below if you bought this palette or not, or if you were fantasizing about it. So I'm going to leave this brush behind, and then I'm going to go in with a smaller brush. That's right, I'm going to go in with the Morphe Jacquelyn Hill brush. It is JH33. Hope you guys can see that. And if it's a little rough, I'm sorry about that. I just got done washing it, so it's just been drying a little bit. Oh my god, I have no idea with what color. You know, okay, so I did Private Island, and next I'm gonna go in with Persuasion right here. Can you guys see that on there? It's like a darker I don't know, I want to say olive, but not really. It's oh yeah, like that military type of green. There's a lot of fallout in this palette, so be careful. So I'm just gonna put this right in the middle, or in the crease actually. I'm sorry, it's been a long time since I've done a makeup tutorial, so I have been fantasizing so hardcore about smoky eyes. So I hate it how when I do my eyes, one eye, in the midst of it comes out different. Do you see that? This eye literally comes out different than the other one. Like, I don't know why, but it just does. So, but don't worry, when you guys see that, it's a challenge accepted. You're just gonna have to buff it out and deal with it. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with the first BH Cosmetics number 5, I think it was. I'm gonna go in with my first brush that I use with Private Island, and I'm gonna just blend it out. By the way, this fucking palette is too hard. This palette is too hard and heavy to be holding, so I'm just gonna go in with my mirror. I'm just gonna blend that out. Okay, so thankfully it's blending out really nice, because I got a little nervous. Maybe it's the brushes. Try new ones. Okay, so I'm going back in with the JH33. I'm just gonna put some color in here, like add back that little bit of color, because you don't want to blend it out too much. So I'm just going back with my previous BH Cosmetics brush. I'm just gonna blend it out. To deepen the smoky eye, I know I said I was going to stick to the bottom row, but I'm going to go in with Jaded right here. This nice green color. So scared. So I'm going to do it at the outer corner. So what I'm doing right here, I'm just focusing on the outer crease. I'm doing like this halo part. Right there. And I'm like, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm moving my brush like all around while I'm stabbing it. Just to get like the perfect performance that I can do. Okay, so blending is key. I'm gonna go back in with number 5 on BH Cosmetics, and you have to blend. People always be asking, how do you get your eyes to look like that? How do you do this? How do you do that? You have to blend. You just have to sit in your chair and do it and do it and do it all over again. You just have to do it. The same brush that I dipped into Private Island, Persuasion, no, with the same brush that I dipped into Persuasion and Jaded, I'm going to go in with, oh my god, I have to dip a little bit 2 times Jaded, and because it's coming up a little patchy on this side. I grabbed my blending brush and I dipped into Private Island, the first color, and I'm just going to bring it up here because I want to blend it. Just a little bit up here. I'm going to go in with Black Card Limit right here. Oh my god, that's a lot. I'm like stabbing it. So I put on the Black Card Limit and the shimmers aren't popping up for some reason. I'm going to go in with Crocodile Tears. So with the same brush that I used in Jacquelyn Hill Morphe, the 33, I used like 3-4 shades already. I'm going to go in with Crocodile Tears just to bring out the green because it's just starting to blend in. So I really need it to come out. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. So for the shimmer to pop up, you have to put it on with your eye. You have to put the shimmer on your finger and then apply it to your eye. There you go. There you go. Do you see that? Okay, so that I have to get new brushes because those brushes aren't working with blending now. So this is the GH 32. This is the brush GH 32, and I'm just gonna try to blend all this charade out. Like, I don't even charade. I'm going with Make It Rain in this brush, the GH32. I'm going with Make It Rain, just tapping that all right here. Hold up, guys. I know exactly what to make it pop. I'm gonna go in with Poison Ivy on my JH39. Let me go in with that. Check it out. Yeah, I think I will. I'm going to go in with JH40 right here. And I'm going to complete the bottom. So something about this palette, with all the fallout that comes out, I'm just going to have to apply it. Because if I tap the fallout, it just goes away. So something's up with my product because doesn't just stick. You see that? Barely. And so I have to go in with it and not tap it. Just go like that a little bit and then look at that. Oh, and at the outer corners of the bottom layer, I'm doing crocodile tears at the bottom. Just like the outer layer. To give that extra hint of green. Alright guys, I'm going to put on my mascara and lashes and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so this is my final look. Oh my god. I'm wearing the Lashes Tea by minkk. I'm going to go ahead and put their information down in the description box below. I cannot believe that this is the completed look with the Blood Money palette. I'm just so stoked with this palette. I'm just gonna have to go buy new brushes because they weren't sticking. The colors weren't, I had a little bit more difficult time blending. They came a little patchy, but I just feel like it's my brushes because I've been having the same problem with the brushes. So, no, new year, new brushes, but I just gotta say, this palette, I'm still having a hard time figuring out how to open this guy. Oh my god. This palette is just so beautiful. I just can't get enough. If I did this look, I used, let me see, I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I used like 6 shades to make this look, and I'm just so happy. I can't wait to use more. Oh my god, I'm looking at myself in the reflection in the mirror, and I look like that girl from Kim Possible, the villain one, dude. The green and black one. I look like her. I'm probably gonna have to put a picture right here so you guys can know what I'm talking about. But I feel like I'm getting those vibes. I really feel like I finally made that fantasy come to life. So when I first opened up this palette, I really wanted to play with the golden shimmers. I really wanted to play with the you know, just more of the shimmers, but I've always wanted to do a smoky eye look with greens. I've never dared myself to do smoky eyes, and I'm finally getting into the comfort of that. So this palette is a 10 out of 10. It is Jeffree Star approved. It is Michelada G approved, like my little boyfriend likes to say sometimes. And I already just got done playing with it, that there's like some black specks right there or something, so I'm gonna have to go get a makeup wipe and clean her off. yeah, I'm afraid to say that there is gonna be a part 2 makeup tutorial to this video, and on my lips I'm wearing his JSC Morphe collab. It's living for it. What the hell? The gloss is living for it, and I'm living for this look right now. So thank you so much. I'm just gonna go smoke a little bluntski or whatever. It's Friday night, and I'm just gonna take it easy in my house because we're on lockdown. So it's Michelada G. Like, comment, subscribe. Please be nice to me in the comments because it took me a while to get this look. So thank you so much. I keep looking down, but I have to keep reminding myself to look up at you guys. So thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you for everything. Thanksgiving is coming up. I actually want to end this video on a serious note. I want to thank everyone who supports me. I want to thank everyone who reaches out to me and tells me what type of videos they want to see, and just talk to me nicely and stuff, because I'm just so grateful for each and every one of you guys out there that support me for me and want to see more videos. So this is the Blood Money palette. This is the look I came up with. Thank you so much. You guys have a great night.